Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Our today's topic is involvement of different sectors in circular flow. The circular flow model. See, circular flow involves different sectors of the economy. The economy is broadly classified into four sectors. Number one is the producing sector. Number second, the household sector. Third, the government sector, and fourth, the rest of the world sector. These sectors contribute to the circular flow by performing different activities. Uh, let's see how activities of different sectors fit into the circular flow. In this context, we shall consider three models of circular flow: two sector model, three sector model, and four sector model. Now, first, we'll start with the circular flow model in a two sector economy. See, we consider a very simple economy consisting of only two sectors, uh, the producing sector and the household sector. We assume that there is no government and also there is no rest of the world sector, implying that there is no export and import of the domestic economy, or that a domestic economy is a closed economy. In this simple economy, the circular flow model will be like this. See, the circular flow model in two sector economy, the producer, firm, and household. You see, this figure is based on the assumption that domestic economy comprises only two sectors: the producers and the households. Now, the second assumption is that the households spend their entire income so that there is no saving. Third one is the domestic economy is a closed economy so that there is no exports and imports. And fourth, there is no government in the domestic economy. Right? Now, first you must note down the what is real flow and money flow. So, see, real flows refers to the flow of goods and services across different sectors of the economy, and money flow refers to the flow of money across different sectors of the economy. Now, this model offers certain observations. Number one is total production of goods and services by firms is equal to total consumption of goods and services by the household sector. The total production of goods and services by the firms is equal to total consumption of goods and services by the household sector. Number second, factor payments by firms. Factor payments by firms is equal to factor income of the household sector. Right? Factor payment by firms is equal to factor income of the household sector. Number third, consumption expenditure of the household sector is equal to income of the house is equal to income of the household sector. That means savings is equal to zero. And number fourth is money flows are opposed to real flows. Money flows are opposed to real flows. Like here, real flows, this money flow opposed. Here, this is real flow, that's money flow. So money flows are opposed to real flows. Thus, while factor services flow from household to producers, these factor services, as we know, while factor services flow from household to the producers, which are real flows, factor payments flow from the producers to the households, which are money flows. Now, this is the circular flow model in a two sector economy. Now, we will discuss two sector model with saving and financial system. Now, we will discuss the two sector model, circular model flow with saving and finance system. See, so far we assumed that household spends the entire income on the purchase of goods and services. As a matter of fact, household tends to save a part of their income. Now, emergence of saving implies emergence of finance system. This is household savings, and it implies the emergence of financial system. It refers to the existence of money market. It refers to the existence of money market or capital market in the economy, including a variety of financial intermediaries such as commercial banks and insurance companies. These financial intermediaries serve as a link between savers and investors. Those who save park their funds with the financial intermediaries, and those who invest borrow funds from the financial intermediaries. Now, the activity of saving and borrowing for investment is reflected in this circular flow model, right? See, on the assumption that saving during the year is converted into investment, this model offers the following additional information. The addition to the model described earlier, which we have discussed earlier, is that all the income is not converted into consumption expenditure but into consumption expenditure. And savings, so that income, that means Y, is called C plus S. And the second observation is that S is converted into I, which is expenditure by the producer, so that S is equal to I. Now, see, if income is equal to C plus S and S is equal to I, so we can conclude that, see, if income is equal to C plus S and S is equal to I, so we can conclude that income Y is equal to C plus I. Now, Y in terms of C plus S shows factor income generated during the year. Y in terms of C plus I shows expenditure on the purchase of goods and services during the year. Since income generated is identical with production during the accounting year, we can write that production is equal to income generated in terms of C plus S is equal to expenditure in terms of C plus I. This is called triple identity. It corresponds to three phases of the circular flow, and we will discuss about triple identity in our next topic. Thank you very much.